Are you ready to enjoy sweet success? This is Charles Williams and his host of zany characters, all at their best. He's a natural-born storyteller.
John said, buddy, said, is this my room? He said, no, sir. I've told you repeatedly that this is my room. Now you go away and don't bother me anymore. He said, well, no, brother, you got that room in the motel, ain't you?
He will have your group laughing and enjoying themselves tremendously. Charles is a fingerstyle guitar player. He's a powerful motivational speaker, and he's a businessman with experience and insight for you and your group. You can count on Charles to have your group laughing, learning, and thoroughly enjoying themselves. This is going to be a sweet time because Charles brings nothing less than good, clean fun, hilarious stories, group participation, music, and a custom-tailored message. He brings his characters to life right before your eyes, and his passion and creativity are contagious. Nobody brings more fun and energy to your event. Charles Williams is almost as crazy as he is talented, and he'll bring a message you can use from his book, Eat Here and Get Gas. No, it ain't what you think. Charles Williams' creativity and imagination, like Stuckey's, are everywhere. And when he talks about his boyhood icon, Mr. W.S. Stuckey himself, one of America's great businessmen, well, there's a message for people everywhere. Sweet success is about your success. It's about getting your people working together through every challenge. Sweet success is about building your business. Sweet success is all about you. In fact, Charles even wrote the book on it, and you can download it today from Amazon, on Kindle, or in any portable electronic device. So if you're ready to have a really good time, enjoy some great stories, and maybe even pick up some really good ideas, all wrapped up in an evening of laughter and positive thinking, well, write us, email us, call us, or go to our website at www.eathereandgetgas.com. Call us 800-277-6227, and we'll look forward to the opportunity.